We will now go with the valedictorian speech of graduators presented by Hani Mohammed Noor in English on behalf of his mate. Welcome Hani to the stage.
الآن ندعكم مع كلمة الخريجين يلقيها بالإنابة عنهم زميلهم هاني محمد نور، فليتفضل مشكورا.
تمهراي هاني محمد نور نبتصاتو نتمرقتي كلتشحن 23 وكيلو قال كسمع سلازخونه اب مدرخ يعدم. مرحبا تمهراي هاني محمد نور مدرخ نعخا.
Good evening, esteemed guests and proud parents, family, friends, and fellow graduates. It is a great honor to stand before you today as the valedictorian of the class of 2024. First and foremost, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our teachers and school staff. Your dedication, passion, and commitment to our education have been unwavering. In fact, I doubt we'd have been able to achieve what we have achieved today without you. To our parents and families, thank you for endless support, love, and encouragement. You have been our pillars of strength, cheering us on through every challenge and triumph. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. Today is your day. Today is a day to laugh, to enjoy, and make memories. But remember that today is only an end of a chapter, and tomorrow is a chapter waiting to be opened anew. As we reflect on our journey, we remember the nights we spent studying, the friendships we forged, and the memories we created. We recall the moments of doubt and uncertainty, but also the moments of joy and accomplishment. Each experience has shaped us into who we are today. We have learned not just from textbooks, but from each other. We have grown together, supported one another, and pushed each other to reach new heights. Our time has been a mosaic of learning, challenges, and growth. Over the past few years, we have faced unprecedented challenges. The global pandemic transformed the way we live and learn. Yet, in the face of adversity, we adapted. We discovered new ways to connect, to learn, and to thrive. Our resilience has been our greatest strength, and it will guide us, and it will help us to step into the future. As we open a new chapter, we are filled with a mix of excitement and apprehension. The future is uncertain, but don't worry, because we can overcome any obstacle. We have the power to shape our destinies, to pursue our passion, and to make a difference in the world. And remember that success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is courage to continue that always counts. Embrace every opportunity to learn, to grow, and to evolve. Be kind, be courageous, and most importantly, be true to yourself. Surround yourself with aspiring, challenging, and positive people. Believe in your ability to do anything. In closing, I will leave you with a quote. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you'll be successful, inshallah. Congratulations, class of 2024. As we go forth, let us carry the lessons we have learned, the friendships we have made, and the dreams we have nurtured. Together, we have the ability to create a better, brighter world. And before closing, I want to leave you with a message. عاودنا حفاش